Thank you for watching, and remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your support.
More than 1 million customers in the dark this morning as Ida continues to pummel Louisiana and Mississippi. Hello and welcome to America's Morning Headquarters. I'm meteorologist Jen Carfagno.
And I'm meteorologist Kelly Cass. Ida, not over yet. No longer a hurricane, but still wreaking havoc. It is slowly moving farther inland, bringing a torrent of rain and strong wind.
No, I mean, considering here just how widespread the damage has been, the rainfall, the water that is out there, and that's what I want to focus on now. The new advisory came in and did bring Ida to a tropical storm. That came in at 5 o'clock Eastern time. So 60-mile-per-hour winds, pressure 990, movement to the north at 8. And this is really key, the fact that we still have a very slow-moving storm, only 8 miles per hour. Now, you notice from the satellite perspective and the radar, too, that there is dry air that is on the western side here. And that's helping us out a little bit with the rainfall. Still very wet on the eastern side. A lot of big rainfall rates, flash flood warnings all across this zone. And we have several flash flood emergencies in St. Charles and St. John the Baptist parishes. This has been a spot that we have had anywhere from 8 to 14 inches of rainfall. Also in Hammond and Livingston and Ponchatoula, where in this area we've had 8 to 14 inches of rain. And in Livingston, especially watching around the Amite River in Maurepas. I mean, that's an area that you've been watching that river rise. If it gets to 7 feet, and it was very close to it at last check here just about a half hour ago, here that's when they do start to need some evacuations from residents in that area. Widespread area of 8 to 14 inches. It's not just one local spot. And then we go down into Jefferson Parish and Jean Lafitte and also Lafitte. This is where there has been a levee that failed. 200 people are at risk from that. And Plaquemines Parish, also a levee failed near Highway 23. That's that other flash flood warning that is in place to the east of there. Then we have this tornado watch that is in place. And we've been watching several tornado warnings this morning. That includes southern Mississippi, parts of southern Alabama, the rainfall and the banding here. That's what we are keeping an eye on. Look at these bands coming in. But watching this area right here and then this one lifting up north through Biloxi. You know, there may be some water spouts over the Gulf of Mexico here, and watching those, if they move onshore, that's when you start to worry about tornadoes. We're going to watch throughout the day today, I think, a risk for that. And of course, the heavy rainfall, Kelly, which, you know, even though there's dry air on the western side, there is no dry air on the eastern side, and we still have a very big flash flooding risk.
Exactly.
You know, Kelly, we've dealt with Elsa, we had Fred, we had Henri just last week, and now we have Ida coming into the northeast and tracking it Wednesday into Thursday. So with this slow moving, it is only Monday, and we really have to wait till the end of the week to get everything up there. So here's what's happening, though, in the Northeast. We have a front that's coming in, and you know this is a terrible combination when we have a tropical system and a front, because both work in tandem to make it rain even more. So we'll get the tropical moisture. We'll tap actually into some Atlantic moisture by this point as well and bring in those hazards for heavy rainfall. We're also going to watch an isolated risk of severe weather. This is Wednesday. We'll have to watch for those spin-ups of tornadoes, and then watching the rain track on in throughout the day on Wednesday. This is 7 o'clock. You can see across southeastern Ohio, all of West Virginia, northern Virginia, western Maryland, Pennsylvania, and Jersey throughout the day on Wednesday. The rain spreading in New York City, around Hartford and New Haven. We've got the rain spreading your way as well, and Boston too. Wednesday into Thursday is the timing for the rainfall. So how much rain are we talking? It could be another 3 to 5 inches of rain. That's that area in yellow that you see right here. The rainfall rates really, I think, is what's going to drive most of our flash flooding concerns. So that will be something that you watch in a nowcast kind of situation. But you look at Pittsburgh, where we've got a rainfall coming in of 3 to 5 inches. D.C., we're going to see some very heavy rain coming in here as well. And we see that Wednesday into Thursday for your timing of when the worst of the rain will be there. And then quick look at New York City, 3 to 5 inches of rain widespread here across the tri-state. We'll be right back with continuing coverage of Ida.